This tutorial will cover the user interface. We will discuss the buttons and the tools of the program to help you. This information is found on page 8 through 10 in your Indeck Parkway user manual. As you will see, the site structure is already brought up upon logging in. Next, we're going to be discussing the buttons along the top. The first button we'll be discussing is the Swap In, Swap Out button, and here you can include and exclude parts of the car park history. The next button we have is Create Report. Click on this button to switch to the Statistics interface. There you can create a whole range of statistical reports on your parking facility. Next, we have Quick Report. When you click on this button, it shows an overview of all configured Quick Reports. Each one can be opened directly as a PDF with just a mouse click. Next, we will move back to the parking structure. You will see along the top the zoom in and zoom out buttons. The first one allows you to zoom in on the floor plan. The next one is the 1:1 ratio button, which allows you to set it back to its original size. Zoom out zooms out away from the parking structure. The next button we have is Zoom In Area. When you click on this button, you move your mouse over the floor plan. A cross appears. When you click and hold the left mouse button, you drag it over the area you would like to zoom in on. When you release the mouse, this area will zoom in as shown. The next button we will be discussing is the Sensor Occupation Rate. Click on the button to open the Sensor Occupation Rate dialog. Next, we have the Acknowledge Alarm. Click on the button to acknowledge an alarm. Alarms can be preset for certain events, for example, when a vehicle leaves a certain parking spot. Next, we have Show Message List. Click on the button and it shows you a list of recent messages and alarms as noted in red. If you'll move to the left-hand side of the screen with me, you will see the exclamation point inside of a gray bubble. This is the Select Language button where you can choose another language. Next to it, you'll see Indexed. This is the login and log out spot where you use your username and password to log in. If you move to the right, you will see the date and time. This is the playback. Click here to open the playback dialog window. You can select a start date and time and fast motion settings. Next, we have the Help button. When you click on this button, it will open the integrated online help. Next, we have the Logo settings. Here you can add your company logo and a hyperlink opening your company's website just by clicking on the logo. Next, if you go back to the parking structure with me, once you are back on the parking floor plan, you can click on a spot and you'll notice down in the lower left-hand corner, Configuration, Settings, and Actions pops up. In the Engineering Console, it is a very powerful tool which enables you to show module configuration, adjust module settings such as sensors and signs. You can also set alarms, find and reserve spaces, schedule events, and set special functions. This concludes this video. Thank you for watching this short tutorial. For more information on how to use your Indeck Parkway iViz user manual, please feel free to watch more videos on our exclusive YouTube channel.